Well, so the old weatherman said we were going to get about a half inch of snow today, and so far we've got about 5 inches. So anyway, that was fun. Always an excuse to get the tractor out, you know. But I used the X739 today, and it's been about 2 years or so since I made a snow plowing video with one. Hopefully, this one's a little bit better than the original. But this tractor is still just as much fun, you know. And this tractor fits my drive just perfectly with the articulating steering there. With the you can see the rear axle, you know, those tires there, how they angle as well, so you can really spin on a dime almost. Makes it a lot of fun. This plow, put the extensions on there, so instead of being 54 inches, it's 18 inches wider now, and it's going to be 72 inches wide. And you'll see here in the video, you can see that once I kind of get an initial path going, I'm gonna, if my plowed area is over here, I'm gonna start, you know, right here with the snow and clear that way. Otherwise, if you take a full pass when you have this thing angled, you get a lot of spillover on the other end that you don't want. And so I'll take smaller swaths, and that kind of helps to reduce the amount of pass that you have to take. At least I think it makes a little bit cleaner job. Check out this. I upgraded my light bulbs to LEDs. I did it for like 25 bucks. Super easy, pretty much plug and play. Get them on Amazon. I'll post a link below. So that was a good time. We know we had about 5 inches of snow. Weatherman said we'd have about a half an inch, so go figure. Thanks, guys. But a lot of fun. It's still coming down, as you can see. You know, I was able to demonstrate a couple different things in this video, plowing up and down the drive. You know, and your tires are going to make a big difference. So the type of tire, these are the HDAP, the heavy-duty all-purpose tires that are really good in slick conditions like this. Also, you know, plows are different too, because you can angle and you can push that load off, and so you're not like with a pusher constantly pushing it. And so uphill you need to have more traction and more ballast weight as well to really be able to push uphill. And so I do have, what do I have? 6 suitcase weights on here right now, plus 4-wheel drive, and these tires make a really good combination. You know, this is just another setup. It's a lot of fun to use. It's great for smaller areas. I've got, I think it's around 2,000 square feet of drive that I need to clear here, and 5 inches. You know, if I wasn't moving cameras around and things like that, I probably had it done in 10 minutes or less. So a couple of the disadvantages that I don't like about the plow are pushing it somewhere, you know. So you gotta, with a snow pusher, you know, on the end of a loader, I can really lift that up and kind of keep stacking it, but I'm really limited on how far or how high I can lift with a frame mounted plow like this. And that doesn't matter if it's a garden tractor like a X739 like this, or if it's a 1025R or 2025R. Those frame mounted plows only come up, oh, I don't know, 8-10 inches off the ground. So you just can't stack snow that high. So you have to be a lot more cognizant of pushing it back, and just make sure you're aware of that. So also you do get a lot of spillover on either side. You know, you do have it angled, and you can see in the video that I tend to take smaller cuts with it. You know, I'll overlap pretty heavily. That way I try to get that snow line, maybe not in the middle of the blade all the time, but maybe only 2/3 full. That way I avoid that spillover, and then I have to go back and do a cleanup pass. I really hate doing that. Maybe it's not more efficient in the end, I don't know, but it's just the way that I kind of like to do it now. So anyway, hopefully I'll have some more snow plowing videos with this machine. I'm going to definitely try out some other setups as well. I'm hoping to get a tractor in with a broom to try that out, and then also get some snow blowing videos too. So thanks so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, check out my other videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.